How to create an account on Remo. Once you receive your ticket from Eventbrite, we will send you a separate email inviting you to the Remo platform. Click to access the MeasureCamp landing page. Once here, you will need to click Save Me a Spot, which will prompt you to create a Remo account. Make sure you set up your Remo account using the same email address that you signed up with on Eventbrite. Otherwise, you will not have access to the sessions. To personalize your profile, click the small lettered logo in the top right hand corner and then click the pen icon. Personalize the profile with the information you want, but we recommend at least a picture, your location or nationality in the headline field, and company name. Links to your LinkedIn profile, social media network of choice, the Facebook profile can also be used for Twitter, will ensure you are ready for networking. You will benefit from having this ready before the event.